am at Alsisar Haveli. Come with me and check it out. It can get a little hectic in Jaipur, but this place is like an oasis. There's the reception area. Now get ready. I think I can get used to this. I think this could be my favorite room. All of them there. And this was the palace's founder. Look at the rainbow paintings over here. Now, we're gonna check out my room. I love this stained glass. I've noticed that in other places in India, and every room here is different. So we have this beautiful painting on ours. Okay. The soap is lavender basil. Smells really good. A very comfortable raised bed. And now I have to get ready for wedding stuff, so see you guys later.
Our stay in this oasis was all too short. Can't thank the team at Alsisar Haveli enough. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!